welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply your E to Z pass to travel into the States from Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, when you travel in USA on their toll roads, of course you are going to pay the toll, right? So while traditionally it used to be cash and then mail based, now a lot of states inside USA have implemented E to Z pass, which makes this travel very simple. And because it is available across various states, so this is gonna make your life very convenient when you, especially when you travel a lot. Okay. So in front of you, I have opened, and you can apply this while you are in Canada because a lot of Canadians travel there very frequently. So that's what we are going to cover in this video. So in front of you, I have opened this E to Z pass group website. Click on get your E to Z pass. The very first thing is to select the state in USA where you travel frequently. Okay. Let's say if you are going to New York, which is closer to me, I select this link. Okay. So you can go and sign up now. So you see that even Canadian provinces have been listed here because people go from Canada to US a lot, right? So if you are in Ontario, you can select this. So, so you can establish a prepaid account. Okay. All right. So four tags they're gonna allocate per account for individual account. Okay. So you can enroll online. You can click on this. So what you need: license plate number, credit card number, and discount plans they have that you can take a look if there's something that's gonna help you. All right. So you can click on continue. So the very first thing is to put your details here. Okay, and then we'll go through that. Of course, I won't be submitting this, but yeah, I'll try to um, navigate as much as I can. So just see. Of course, like I'm not gonna pay money for this. Mandatory country. If I select Canada, yeah, it changes automatically. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some sample. Username, I'll just say and help me out. I can check availability. Okay, fine. Phone number. Wow. Okay, they have for mobile alerts too. So it's good to opt, but because sample video, so I select opt out. Not sure it will let me. Zip code does not match the state. What can I do then? Uh, I'm just gonna put a sample, another one. Oh wow, it is worked. Email, statement, password, security question, answer, pen. Okay. So I'm gonna set, so what you need to do, your email and email delivery. Okay. Statement delivery mail. Nowadays, why will you go for mail, right? Postal, you can go for this. And for if you take on mail, you gotta pay $6 annually. Why would you? And this is in US dollar. Okay. Password you're gonna put here. So why would you like to do that? Not sure. All right, and security question, you can set over here. So I'm gonna set this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after you are through that step, you are gonna come to this place where you're gonna have to enter the license plate. Okay, and at least one vehicle you will enter, right? Otherwise, why you will buy the tag? Next, you're gonna select the plan and tags like the payment and other things. Then you have to make the payment and then finally verify the info so that they can send the tag to you. So that is how it works, guys. I will not go any further because this is gonna be verified and I don't wanna do that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know if this was helpful or not. Thank you.